In this video, we show you how to use the editor to print own images on the switch using the color printing function. To use this function, you have to register for the GraphicTool and log in. All the items you have already added to your collection will then appear under the Your Collected Product section. When calling up a switch using the Edit function, the Own Picture function can be found at the left bottom menu. If you click on the Own Picture button, a new window will open with a picture you have already uploaded. To upload a new picture, you first have to read and confirm the terms. In the next step, you can upload your desired image using the Choose a File tab. In this example, we selected the JUNG logo. After selection, it appears in our image collection. The image can be scaled and placed in the desired position using the controls on the upper right. The alignment with these control buttons allows an exact positioning on the switch cover. After you have saved the draft, the switch appears in the new layout in your collection.